going home now, and I bought Christmas gifts for my family, and I got this mug. So cute, right? It's about fall. I love fall, but it's winters now. It was really cute, therefore I got it. And I got Sour Punk. Sour Punk is like one of my favorite candies ever. So I got that and this peppermint because like they did not have change. So yeah, that's what I got. क्या है? अभी नहीं मिल रहा है कुछ नहीं, अभी क्रिसमस के लिए वेट करो. Preparations for the exam CLAT 2021. If you are thinking of CLAT in 2021 or planning to revise what you have learned, then Unacademy has you covered. With CLAT 2021 in focus, Unacademy has launched a 6-month batch called Target 2021, which starts from December 28th, 2020. With Unacademy, you have guaranteed top-level educators, best courses, and the maximum number of mock tests. Monthly test series available with a doubt clearing mechanism. If you have any doubt, just click a picture and you'll get a video solution of it. Isn't that amazing? Since this is a crash course batch and the entire syllabus will be covered in just 6 months. If you'll take the subscription now, you'll get discounts and offers on the base price. You can also use my code DOITYOURSELF for an extra 10% off of your subscription. All the educators will teach on the platform live, with live comments from learners. Apart from these live sessions, you have a pool of recorded sessions as well that you can revisit anytime throughout the year. That's super convenient. Unacademy is very affordable when compared to offline coachings, as well as everyone can get access to top newly launched faculties. It doesn't matter where in the country you live in, you can enjoy the most convenient way of learning sitting right from your houses. I would like to thank Unacademy for sponsoring this video. All of the links for the courses and the website will be down in the description box below along with my code DOITYOURSELF. So thank you Unacademy, and let's move forward with the video. Hey guys, so today was a busy day, as you all saw the montage of me going shopping and stuff. So let me explain it to you. I went to shop, as you all saw. So I got these like sweaters or coats for my dogs, and I'll be wrapping them along with the other gifts which I got. So yeah, that's what I have here. Let me show you something. Little siblings decorated this. Look how cute these like snowmen are. They made it with oranges, and like these straws are so cute. And then they hung these stockings, which is kind of cute. And they hung one for me as well with this clothing pin. This one, like yeah. And they have like these candles. This one is my favorite, as I always tell you in all of my videos. And then they have this. I got this mug today. It's so cute, right? And like it has this very cute thing, straw. So I actually got for my birthdays, but I never use them. They have toffees over here. So yeah, that's the wrap of my Christmas 24th of December thing. I actually bought something for me to eat after so long. So yeah, I'll be eating that, and I'll wrap up all of the Christmas presents, and I'll play Among Us with some of my friends. So yeah. Okay, so I did not get a Christmas tree. I had this tree. This was the closest thing I could get. The Christmas trees were so like bare. They did not look good. So I'll be keeping the presents over here under this tree. Let's just do it.
Lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world ended tonight.
So yeah, the tree is covered with presents now. I'm sorry about using the plastic packaging. I could not find the paper packaging which looked well. There were none of them were for Christmas. I couldn't find them. I got these instead. But you know what? Indians reuse them. So I'll be reusing them. Possibly not, but I wish I did not have to use this.
About me, I always put the other half first. You showed me that ain't fair. Now I see, that's why I always felt the hurt. It's you that made me love myself. In a way, I've wanted someone else to love me. I guess that's why I love you more the more the days pass by. If I ever lose you.
Okay, I've kept all the gifts except for my grandparents' gift, and I'll keep this at their door. So let's go there. Just keep it here. Oh my God. Let's go. So I need to fill the stockings as well. These are the things that I got for the stockings. This is a Real Madrid's Ronaldo's notebook. I gave this to my brother, but it did not fit in the sock. So I'll just keep this outside, put this in my brother's pile, and then give my sister this candle that I got from the home center. It's currently wrapped. So let's do that. Okay, so I don't know which one is theirs. Yes, this is my sister's. Okay, so I'm done for tonight. I'm sleepy now. I'll wake up tomorrow and open up the Christmas presents with my family. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Today is 25th December, which means it's Christmas, and I just woke up. I was so tired yesterday, so I woke up today, and now we'll be opening gifts. So let's go and do that. So first gift we have my doggy Tiku. Tiku! Hello! Buddy! Gift! उल्टा है! उल्टा है! उल्टा ऐसे ऐसे.
Can I tell you a secret? Might have to slide in close for you to hear it. Over that bartender yelling out them drinks. Will the cover band off key sings? Yeah. Can I tell you a secret? Between you.
Next gift, Vinaya.
All I can think about is leaving here early to get you alone. Pulling you into me, not even music on, nothing but you.
Next gift is for Mama.
Between you and me, yeah. You know me like no one. It's like you get down up to get
Next gift is for Janex DIY.
and I'm down to close down this place, yeah. But I'd rather close up this space.
टेबल रैप करके रखिए. डैडी का गिफ्ट.
थैंक यू बेटा.
Early to get you, pulling you into me, not even music on, nothing but you, my tea, white sheets between you and me, between you and
So guys, that was the Christmas present opening slash I don't know something. So now what we'll be doing is, like, I don't know about the day, but about the night we'll be doing a traditional bonfire which we do every single year, and we'll be having like some and we'll be having like some friends over. So yeah, that's what we are going to do, and I'll see you guys then. So guys, we are going out to get the Christmas cake right now for the bonfire. Don't worry, I was carrying my mask. I guess I lost my mask. Okay, ठीक है यहाँ पे. So I'm wearing this turtleneck sweater which I got from Max a few days back. I really like the sweater, and what I'm wearing is I'm wearing these white jeans, which my outfit today is in the best outfit I've worn. Like, it's one of my worst, as my sister tells me, because she's like a fashion designer aspirant, whatever. So She does not like my outfit, therefore I'm still wearing it. So I'm wearing these boots from Kanpur, which I got from and these t-shirts which I got from So we bought the goods, cake and stuff, everything is here. Oh, इसको उल्टा नहीं किया. Now we'll be heading home for the bonfire party which we do every year, but this time the guests are very limited because of the coronavirus, and yeah, that's the thing. I just hope 2021 will be a little better.
Can I tell you a secret? Might have to slide in close for you to hear it. Over that bartender yelling out them drinks. Will the cover band off key sings? Yeah. Can I tell you a secret? Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you alone.
So guys, we're trying to light the bonfire. I was unsuccessful. She was maha unsuccessful. She is so bad at this. Vinayak ne kiya fir. Vinayak, smile for the camera. Okay, great. So yeah, that's what we did. And अब तेल डालने लाओ, तेल इधर लाओ. डालो, रुको मैं नहीं आ रही. अब डालो.
Are you insane?
No, I'm insane. नहीं चलेगा हम लोग.
Funny.
थोड़ी देर के लिए चलेगा, उसके बाद नहीं चलेगा.
अरे वो तब पकड़
It's so pretty.
Space